brand new, y'all. Basically what this is supposed to be, I don't even know what could come out of it. Pre-plucked hairline, yes. Deeply bleached knots, yes. Elastic band, yes. Oh, that's it, okay. Their packaging is always lovely. You already know what now why would you? Don't let nobody tell you you need a size that you don't need for your life. God already put it on your life. What he wants you to do, don't do that. My cap size is small, that's my domology, y'all. But honey, if it ain't on sale, I'ma say, well.
Y'all got some giveaways going on.
Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary K coming to you with a slurp. Hold on, let me have some of my water. Spring water, free BPA. We don't never know what stuff is until they say it's free of it.
Why you ain't tell us about BPA beforehand, before it was free of it?
I saw free BPA and I was like, dang, they done got BPA. I don't even know who BPA is, but free him, man. He must have been out there water hustling. I don't know. They got BPA though, honey. Cause I know that ain't nothing hazardous to our lives that they allowed for all these years prior to this. They probably done picked him up, Chad. Bless his heart. Well, free him. If he didn't do nothing, you just gotta stop. You can't be water hustling now. They'll get you for that. How much time when he come home? Y'all, what's up? Okay, so I have something new for you today. Well, kind of new. Semi-new, but not really new, but newish. Somewhat, but not actually. Kind of. So I'm gonna tell you exactly what that is right after I show love to my subscriber of the day. Oh, cousin, you're the bomb. Y'all make sure you hit that subscribe button because I need you to join the family and join the fun. We growing. Be a part of that. Okay, you guys, so here's the new thing. HerGivenHair. Y'all know I have used their products so many times. I really like HerGivenHair. Well, they have a new sub-brand, you guys, called WingsByHerGivenHair. Basically, what this is supposed to be is the quality hair that you get via HerGivenHair, but more affordable. So, come on now. Y'all been asking because y'all been on HerGivenHair like, sis, first of all, we love your products. But we not gonna be able to do them unless you're doing a giveaway.
Y'all got some giveaways going on.
Now we'll catch a good sale, but honey, if it ain't on sale, I'ma say, well. So HerGivenHair was like, okay, let's meet in the middle.
Meet me in the middle with your coins. We ain't coming down, so we gon' make a new stop.
Okay, so let me give you the deets, okay? I'm excited because I've never tried any product from this sub-brand. This is brand new, y'all. I ain't even opened the box because I don't even know what could come out of it. You know, I don't even know what could come out of it. It's a T-part lace front wig. I'm gonna show it to you for those of you who may not know what that is. 13 by 1. Lace front wig, T-part. The texture is coily, which is, for those of you who care about the numbering system, it's like 3C, 4A. The length is 18 inches. My cap size is small. That's my domology, y'all. You gotta take your calculations, calculate it up. After you calculate it up, equate them out to the size that you need for your life, okay? See, because God made us all different, but we are all precious in his sight. So just go ahead and get the size that you need. Don't let nobody tell you you need a size that you don't need for your life. God already put it on your life. What he wants you to do, don't do that. Now, the middle, it's a middle part. So that's that. It just is what it is. I'm gonna show you, but like the part will have the nice long part, right? But all up and through here, that parting area is gonna stop probably by right here. You're not gonna be able to part off on the side. That's the T part, y'all. But with that being said, that means it's less lace, which means it's gonna be less expensive. But you're gonna have choices now. We'll get into it. We'll get into it. Don't worry about it. I knew what this was. Pre-plucked hairline, yes. Deeply bleached knots, yes. Swoosh transparent lace, yes. 100% Ramy human hair, yes. Adjustable elastic band, yes. Oh, that's it. Okay. Oh, and this is 150% density, which is a sweet density for curly hair, because it's still gonna give you that you know, that ba-ba-boom, you know what I'm saying? If y'all know anything about HerGivenHair, you know it can be a little bit pricey. This particular wig starts at $226, which is lower than the starting price of many of HerGivenHair's products. I know every situation is different. Hey, I'm with you. Now, this is where things change. It just depends on what you want, cousin. You can choose the hair length, the hair color. You also can choose like where you want your part, right, left, or middle. And I love that because some people don't like middle parts. So you do have that option. Please put my part off on the right side because I'm going to vacation Bible school. I want them to know that I'm doing right. Everything got to be on the right. Please, I need that right. Because if we off in the middle, that means you lukewarm. And the Bible says, but I'm gonna have a middle part today, but I'm not lukewarm. I don't want you to think that I'm lukewarm. I'm not lukewarm. So those different things will determine, I guess, what your final price is. I'm excited to try this though. The picture looks so pretty. Those are the specs. Let me just show you the wig. This is the packet sauce. You already know. Their packaging is always lovely. You already know what. Now, why would you do that? Y'all already know what time it is. We done been here before. The packaging is the same, sis. Even with the sub brand, okay? Come on now. They said that we're not playing about our packet sauce. We're not playing about our drip like that. You know what I'm saying? Oh. So, bam, HerGivenHair, okay? Be yourself, be given. Bam, HerGivenHair.
I think it's a game, it's clearly not.
They send you the instruction manual where they just give you different styling tips, how to take care of your hair, how to co-wash, all that good stuff, right? Bam, that's that. Let's get into this T-part wig because I want to see what's going on with this sub brand. I'm interested to see if the quality is subpar or not. See, because sometimes with sub brands, you get sub quality, and I'm not finna sit up here and stand for it. Extra combs, that's nice. Let's see. Ooh. I see you, wings. Ooh, speaking of wings, which y'all like, the flat or the drums? Okay, come on, the quality is the same. Oh, okay. I see what time this is. Y'all was coming for it. Okay, it's just a lower price. Okay, I see what this is. Y'all, they specialize in textured curls, textured hair curls. This is very nice. It has 3 combs, 2 on each side of the middle part, and then 1 in the back. It also has an adjustable strap, and it has an elastic band, y'all, for a glueless install. Come on now. Come on, wings. The knots are bleached. Look at that. Look at that. Knots are bleached beautifully, you guys. Now, let us pay attention to this lace. Can you see the T? Not the tea that I'm spilling, but the tea in this lace. That's what they mean by T-part. This is what I was saying about the right and the left part. This is why you have to choose on the website where you want your part, because see, you can't get a middle part thinking it's all good and you just gonna put a little right part off in there. This is not a full frontal wig, y'all. This ain't no more lace over here. So if you try to part over here, you gonna see that, honey. It's not gonna be flawless like this middle part is. So you have to tell them where to put your part, okay? Y'all already know what I do. When I get curly wigs like this, I have to co-wash or at least wet it down, brush through it, plop it on. That's just the way it goes. I have to do it because see, this right here is cool, but I gotta juice these joints. This hairline is looking nice. Oh, this is bleached really wonderfully. This 150% This 150% density is perfect for this. So y'all, I know it's summertime and it's hot. This ain't gonna be too much. This is not gonna be too much, okay? If you like wearing big hair but you can't because it's hot, this is a good option for you, y'all. I'm really excited to try this, y'all. Y'all ready? Y'all ready to try it? Well, all right. Let's go ahead and see what's up. The information will be in the description box. Y'all, if you guys try their new products, their sub-brand wings, let me know. I want to know what you guys think about it. And also let me know like the different specs that you chose for your unit. But talking about Rama, yeah, let's go ahead and see what we can do, y'all. Okay. Hold on.